What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this beautiful M8 Competition in the shop getting full body paint protection film. This BMW does have a matte paint job from the factory, so we're gonna go ahead and lay our matte paint protection film over the full entire body of this vehicle just to protect it from rock chips, scratches, and any swirls or anything of that nature. So you really can't polish or buff out this paint, because if you do so, it's just gonna gloss it all out. Same thing with repainting it. Repainting matte paint is a super difficult task. So if you get any rock chips or anything like that, it's pretty much all said and done for. We did also do a full window tint on this job. We did the ceramic 15%, or sorry, ceramic plus 15% on all these sides in the back. And then we're also gonna be topping it off with our ceramic coating just to make it much easier to clean and maintain. It's also gonna create a hydrophobic layer on top of the surface, and it also does have a UV protectant in it. Zishan did already get it all prepped and cleaned, and now all it's time to do is print off the panels and then go ahead and start installing.
Hey guys, update on the M8. We are finishing up the car here soon. All we need is the trunk. We need to redo the hood. We need to get the roof finished. And then I have a couple pieces on this passenger side. We're gonna have to redo the hood because we put a lot of heat on the hood. It distorted the whole entire thing. Did not look good, so we're gonna go ahead and get a bigger piece for the hood so that we don't have to stretch it as much, so we don't have those distortion lines or anything like that. We'll get back to you when we start on the hood.
We just got the 72-inch matte PPF in. It arrived maybe about 30 minutes ago, so we just laid the hood. I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, but I had thought Lumar doesn't make 72-inch. We had asked a couple people and they said no. However, we found the SKU number. We called. We actually had to place the order by the SKU number just because they, for whatever reason, couldn't find the 72-inch. But as you can see, it fits perfect. Obviously, we have a ton of material in the front. We have a ton of material in the back. So we're not gonna have to stretch that much or anything like that. It's just gonna make our lives a lot easier. So we're gonna finish up the hood and then get the vehicle all cleaned up, get it all ceramic coated, and it'll be all ready to go.
Here we are finishing this brand new M8 Competition. This vehicle did come in with the satin gray paint finish to it. So the customer wanted full bumper-to-bumper protection on it. So this customer, you know, he wants to drive the vehicle. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just finishing up the ceramic coating process of it. We're gonna use a G-Technique Halo product. We are gonna be applying it twice to it just to help protect it a little bit, you know, give it some UV rejection, along with keeping the PPF a little bit cleaner as well. So ceramic coating is a great product. You know, you can just simply spray the vehicle and most of the stuff will just literally slide right off of it. If you want to follow me over here, we have another matte PPF job going on. This is a brand new Model X Plaid. So one of our good customers, he's brought us numerous vehicles. So this is just another one that he wants to add to the list. Obviously it did come in as a gloss black vehicle. So we're doing a matte PPF over it, which in turn is going to create a satin finish. So it is very comparable to like a satin black wrap, but this does give you 10 years of protection as opposed to a wrap. It's much thicker, it's much more durable, it's scratch resistant, it's going to protect against rock chips, things of that nature. It looks great. We just started this vehicle probably 2 days ago or so, and you know, our crew has knocked out quite a bit. So all we have left is really this back trunk piece right here and the front bumper, along with a few pieces. I think the pillars also need to be done. But as you can see, most of the large panels have been completed. So this is kind of what the final product will look like. Matte PPF is definitely in style right now. A, due to it looks great. B, the paint protection aspect behind it, right? So it's very durable. Like I said, it's scratch resistant, can protect against rock chips as well. So when you have a 1,000 horsepower SUV, you want to drive it pretty fast, right? So, you know, if you have a vehicle like this, satin PPF is definitely the way to go. If you want to come over here, we have Fred actually installing, I believe, the A pillar right here, so you can get a little bit of squeegeeing action, kind of see how it's applied right here. Fred is the master. He does knock out work pretty fast, pretty efficiently. We like Fred. A great part about the PPF as well is that not many body parts do need to be removed. Like maybe just like this fender flare right here needs to be removed just so we can get a proper tech of the material. But as opposed to like a vinyl wrap, the front bumper needs to be completely disassembled. A couple other pieces need to be disassembled. The great part about PPF is nothing of your vehicle will be removed except for those fender flares right there. As you can see right here, we also have some compound left. So when we do a matte PPF installation job, we do a one-step paint correction on it. A, this helps kind of level the paint off, so if there's any dirt nibs, any paint imperfections, anything like that, we will remove them prior to application. And B, the paint correction will help the clear bar adhere much better. So we do kind of want to create like a gritty surface just so the clear bar really sticks properly. That's all I have for right now. I'm going to get back to coating this M8 because this customer has been calling. He wants his vehicle. I don't blame him. It's a nice vehicle, so we definitely want to deliver the vehicle to a happy customer. Delivery day should be tomorrow, which is Saturday. So like I said, I'm going to get back to work. Thank you guys.
What's up guys, it's Mohammed at Mile High Customs. The M8's all pretty much done. It came out looking beautiful. So as you can tell, we pretty much full PPF the vehicle in our matte PPF. We ceramic coated it in our dual layer, give it a 7-year coating. Some of the areas that we still left gloss, just to kind of give it a little breakup, was the front grille pieces, the mirrors, the roofs, just keep that beautiful carbon fiber going. We also tinted it in our Ceramic Plus, full IRX 15% all the way around, and pretty much finished it all up. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.